Hello kids, welcome back to channel. Today learn alphabets, numbers and shapes. Kids colors name black color, green color, blue color, red color, yellow color, yellow color. Kids now coloring alphabets, numbers and shapes. Kids first draw A. A for apple, A for aeroplane, and use black color, the alphabets of A. Kids now draw B. B for ball, B for bat, and use green color, the alphabets of B. Kids now draw C. C for cat, C for car, and use blue color, the alphabets of C. Kids now draw D. D for dog, D for doll, and use red color, the alphabets of D. Kids now draw E. E for egg, E for elephant, and use yellow color. Kids now draw numbers, and first draw 1, the numbers of 1, and use black color, O N E 1, the numbers of 1. Kids now draw 2, the numbers of 2, and use green color, T W or 2, the numbers of 2. Kids now draw 3, the numbers of 3, and use blue color, T H R W 3. Kids now draw 4, the numbers of 4, and use red color, F O U R 4. Kids now draw 5, the numbers of 5, and use yellow color, F I V E 5. Kids now draw shapes, and first draw square, the shape of square, and use black color, Kids now draw circle, the shape of circle, and use green color, Kids now draw triangle, the shape of triangle, and use blue color, the shape of triangle. Kids now draw heart, the shape of heart, and use red color, Kids now draw star, the shape of star, and use yellow color, the shape of star. It's today draw A, B, C, D, E. Numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Shapes: square, circle, triangle, heart, and star. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.